Hey family, welcome to a hotel room tour with Fresh and Lane. Today we are staying at Secret St. James in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and I just have to show you guys around because I want that if you are looking to book something in Montego Bay, that you get the best of the best. I'm gonna be as objective as possible and really just share my experience, and that will be in another video. But for this video, I'm gonna be showing you what the room looks like so that you can use this video to help to make your decision if you're looking for somewhere to stay in Montego Bay. Now the cost of the room today, which is Wednesday the 14th of April 2021, is $382 per night. So keep that in mind. Alright, I won't do too much rambling. I'll just say that remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We're on the journey to 50,000 subscribers now, so help me to get there as quickly as possible by pressing the subscribe button and sharing the video with your friends so that they can subscribe too. Alright, so let's get into the video. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, so let's do a quick little room tour and show you. Remember, I'm staying at the Secret St. James and the door is here. So you enter here, right? And on the left, as soon as you enter, is a closet area. And it's on both sides, it seems. Yeah, you have some shelves that looks like a steam cleaner. Yep, correct. A safe and a hair dryer. It's inside of here. Alright, it's well lit. There are lights inside, so that's good. Oh, I forgot to mention, like at the door, when you come inside, there is this thing, an opening right here where they put snacks or juices through there, so they would put it through there and you can collect it here. As you can see, there's water, there's beer, Coca-Cola, Sprite, etc. What used to happen is that before the pandemic, they used to stock these things in the refrigerator and then they come and replenish it daily, but obviously because of the whole thing, you know, you can't touch, they stopped doing that and they just put it there. So now let's continue with the tour. So we're still right here, and if we go right, we go into the bathroom, and as you can see, a very nice bathtub is right there, and it opens up to the bedroom over on that side. Then you have the sinks right here with the usual that you get at a hotel: a shower cap, body lotion, rags, and soaps. Actually, some hotels don't give a lotion, so that's good. And then over here is the toilet section with toilet paper, and then the shower is on this side. So this is the shower. You have the overhead shower there. See the walls, you get to see everything, right? I must say that I'm a little disappointed in the maintenance of the bathroom, particularly in the shower area, because as you can see, you know, it's not looking so beautiful down here. I mean, it's something that can be overlooked, but you know, I have to tell you the good and the bad. The shower looks like it could be cleaned a little bit better. You can see it's a little foggy down there. You can see so you don't get the proper scrubbing, but that's the, you know, that's the least. For the most part, it is good, it is clean, it is tidy, but you know, they could maintain over there a little bit better, but you're not going to be using it, so you can definitely ignore that part. Very nice bathtub is right there, and the towel rack just above, and there are 2 towels there. Usually go in a hotel and they have like a lot of towels, but I was told at the front desk that if you want additional towels, that you should dial 0 and they'll bring additional towels. It's something that they have started to do since COVID, and towels are still here though, but you just won't get the 6 or the 8 towels that hotels usually give. So this is the view from the bedroom. So you can literally close it off, or you can open up. And of course, if you come with a boo, you know, you can give your boo a show while you're over here in the bedroom. And this is what the bedroom looks like. You know, a very big bed, looks like a king size bed, and lamps on both sides, entertainment center, and TV on that side. And then over here you have a little sitting area or dining area for two with a mirror to look at yourself. Over on this side you have another sitting area and a dining table, and then some wall art and a fan in the ceiling. This is what the room looks like from this angle. And then let's head out to the balcony. Alright, so this is the balcony now, and this is what outside is looking like. There's the patio set to chairs and a table, and that's about it. On here it is triangular shaped. Let me go on this side. You can see the shape of it. And then you come over here and this is the view. You definitely have a very good view of the sea over there, and you have the view of the garden area with all these trees, and then of course the view of your neighbors over there. And this room is kind of like a corner lot. I don't know if that's what it's called, so you're just here to yourself. You can see the mountains in the distance, and it's just absolutely stunning. So let's now go back inside, and now this is the room. Big mirrors, big painting. So for aesthetics, I give it 4 out of 5. For cleanliness, I give it 4.5 out of 5. For ambiance, I give it 5 out of 5. For comfort, I give it 5 out of 5. So those are my ratings. These are my personal views. So, you know, do what you want to do with it. But that's what I think of it. So that's pretty much it. That's the entire hotel room for you. So if you're ever interested in booking this hotel, you have an idea of what it looks like. I remember when I was booking the hotel, and I had some choices between different hotels in Montego Bay, and what I did is that I just typed the name of the hotel into YouTube, and I saw some videos come up, and there's this one particular hotel I was looking at, and when I saw the room tour of it, I'm like, nah, no can do. So I didn't go to that hotel. So I know that having these videos can be very helpful and beneficial in helping you to make that decision. So I hope this is for you, so that you know, okay, I can work with it, or I can't work with it. You know what I mean? So thank you for watching. Remember to like the video by pressing the thumbs up. Remember to comment. Leave a comment, let me know what your thoughts are. Would you stay here? Is this one that you'd recommend? I'm going to give more details in another video of my overall experience at the hotel, so definitely stick around for that. In the meantime, just remember to subscribe. We're on the journey to 50,000 subscribers, and I'd really love to get there by the end of April. So help me to make it happen by just subscribing and encouraging your friends and your family and everybody to subscribe as well. Alright, let's share the video. I love y'all, and I'll see you in the next